Bold leaders are game changers. They challenge the status quo and push for positive change that impacts the world around them. Nicholas Horbaczewski, the founder and CEO of the Drone Racing League, is a highly regarded leader. He founded the Drone Racing League in 2015 with the vision of professionalizing the sport and bringing it to a mainstream audience. Today, the Drone Racing League is considered to be one of the fastest growing sports ever. Horbaczewski grew DRL from a disappointing first race to the combination of Formula One Grand Prix and first player video gaming that it is today.
If you'd asked me 2.5 years ago when I was just starting DRL, if we'd be on TV in 75 countries, have more than 50 million people watching our races, I would say, no way. And yet here we are today.
Horbaczewski's bold leadership and vision has steered the Drone Racing League to become a global league. Aside from US, he has mounted racing events all over the world, with the final race held this year in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Through his leadership, he has found innovative ways to bring the best drone pilots into the league. And he is just starting. In 2019, artificial intelligence self-pilot drones will compete against human pilots, making DRL the first AI-enabled robotic racing circuit. Horbaczewski continues to push boundaries, and as a result, the DRL has received several awards and recognition, including his recognition as one of the 50 most daring entrepreneurs of 2017. Horbaczewski's perseverance has delivered a futuristic and unique tech-enabled sport, and he is changing the way sports are played.
A lot of the challenge of building a sport from scratch is learning to align all of those interests and helping everybody understand that this isn't push and pull, it's not one side winning and one side losing. If you can build a sustainable system, you're going to be able to grow the sport, grow the league, and increase the opportunity set for everybody involved.
Truly, Nicholas Horbaczewski is a bold leader and rising star. For more stories on people and companies making bold impacts on our world, visit boldbusiness.com. To learn about our services, visit boldbusiness.com/services.